This is Murari Daman. I am here to discuss about Neet zoology. In Neet zoology part, today I am going to discuss about amphibian's heart. Yes, as you know, in our previous class we have discussed about some of the general information about heart as well as the heart of the fishes. Today we are going to discuss about amphibian's heart. The heart in amphibians, it has three chambers, such as auricles. There are two auricles are present. One is right auricle, left auricle, and second one ventricle. In the heart of the amphibians, there are three chambers are present, such as two auricles, such as right auricle and left auricle, and one ventricle. So these auricles and ventricle together called primary chambers. Primary chambers. Primary chambers. So along with these primary chambers, the heart of the amphibian, it also has some accessory chambers. Then what are the accessory chambers present inside the amphibian's heart? Such as sinus venosus, and second one truncus arteriosus. Sinus venosus, truncus arteriosus are also present inside the amphibian's heart. These are called accessory chambers. Accessory chambers. So when you observe the heart of the fishes, where you can find tubular heart, but when you move from the fishes to amphibians, some of the modifications that takes place inside the shape of the heart. So what are the modifications that happen in the shape of the heart? Here this is right auricle, left auricle, and ventricle. There are three chambers are present. There are three chambers are present inside the amphibian's heart. Two auricles, one ventricle. This is the right auricle, left auricle, and one ventricle, undivided ventricle. So here the sinus venosus, which is present on the right side of the heart. Sinus venosus present on the right side of the heart. This is called sinus venosus. Sinus venous is present on the right side of the heart, which is opens into right auricle. This sinus venuses collect the deoxygenated blood from all body parts and it opens into right auricle and it brings the deoxygenated blood from all body parts into right auricle. Then what happens? The oxygenated blood, it is enters into left auricle from the lungs. Now, the right auricle and left auricle which are opens into ventricle, here the right auricle pours the deoxygenated blood into ventricle and left auricle pours the oxygenated blood into ventricle. So both the deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood both are mixed inside the ventricle. So the ventricle consists of mixed blood in the amphibian's heart. Now here one of the most important modifications is happening inside the amphibian's heart, that is called truncus arteriosus. So a branch is arises from the ventricle, which is called truncus arteriosus, which is formed by the fusion of there are two structures such as conus arteriosus plus aorta. A branch is arises from the ventricle, that is called truncus arteriosus. This truncus arteriosus, it is formed by the fusion of conus arteriosus and aorta. When you observe the heart of the fishes, the conus arteriosus, aorta both are separated from each other. But when you move from the fishes to amphibians, the conus arteriosus and aorta both are united together. They are formed into single branch, that is called truncus arteriosus. This truncus arteriosus which carries the mixed blood from the ventricle into all body parts. So, especially among the amphibians, the mixed blood is passed through the heart. Before it is collecting to the body parts, so the auricles are the receiving chambers while they are receiving the blood separately. Right auricle receiving the deoxygenated blood from the sinus venuses. And left auricle receives the blood from lungs. So here deoxygenated blood is collected, here oxygenated blood is collected. But both are enters into ventricle where they are mixed together. But one branch is arises from the ventricle. That branch is called truncus arteriosus. This truncus arteriosus, it is formed by the fusion of two structures such as conus arteriosus and aorta. And these two structures are separated from each other in the heart of the fishes. But in the amphibians, the conus arteriosus, aorta both are united together. They are formed into a single branch, that is called truncus arteriosus. This truncus arteriosus, it passes the blood and it transports the mixed blood to the body parts. So that's why the heart which transports the mixed blood to the body parts, such kind of heart is known as atriovenous heart. That heart is called atriovenous heart. So the heart of the amphibians is called atriovenous heart. Why it is called atriovenous heart? Which pump the mixed blood to the body organs. That is one thing. At the same time, it is also called double circuit heart. Why it is called double circuit heart? Before blood being transported to the body organs, if the blood is passed to the heart twice, once between the heart and body parts and next between the heart and lungs, then that is called double circuit heart. Such kind of circulation is called double circulation. So the amphibians, they have double circuit heart. This double circuit heart involved inside the double circulation, but here it is considered as the incomplete double circulation. incomplete double circulation. There is no division inside the ventricle. Only single ventricle is present. There is no division. So that's why, because of the lack of division, there is no division between the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.